Today my video is maybe different. I'm really impressed with this small cheap board. It's ESP8226, so you can make multiple projects with this one, but today I'm gonna show you how to make a temperature sensor and humidity live, so you can view it online from your phone anywhere around the world, also with data logger too. So just follow me and I will show you how to connect it first, then we go to the app. After that we go to Arduino Ide and upload the code. By the way, I got the code from the online public domain and it's free, so but I did some modification to it to make it work with an email, but sometimes email doesn't work, but you can get notification from your phone in case of temperature rise, so you can set the temperature from the Arduino Ide, the temperature limit. So now let's see the connection. As you know, maybe if you're familiar with Arduino, so this is the temperature, humidity, and humidity sensor. Okay, for this one, maybe some of them different. So this one DHT11, this one has S, which is signal, and then the middle one, which is 3 volts, and then the last one, which is ground. So I did like wire, like code wiring, like color code. I did it. So this is the signal, and this is the hot, this is the ground. And then from other side, so the pin D4 is connected to the signal, and then it's marked. It's marked here, so you can see the 3 volts, which is red wire, and then G, which is ground, and then micro USB. So that's simple connection. Now let's go to the app and set the app first, then we go to Arduino Ide. Okay, before I proceed with the project, I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna be look like after you finish done with it. This is emulator. It's gonna be same on your phone, on Android phone. It's work with Mac, I think Mac, Apple. So this is the temp gauge, and this is the humidity gauge, and this is notification, and also the graph here. It will show the temperature and humidity. Let's start and see. Okay, see, now you get an alert because I set it the temperature. If it's over 25 Celsius, you will get an alert. And this is the graph. We'll keep giving you an alert until you stopped it or the temperature goes down. You see the graph? That's, you can see live and every 15 minutes. So it's like data logger too, this one. Okay, now I'm gonna proceed with a project. I'm gonna delete everything and start over from the beginning. Just follow me. So now you go to your Android phone and then go to Play Store and then look for the app BLYNK and download it, install it. Just give it some time, it's gonna be downloaded. After you download it, you have to create an account and login. So open it, and then if you don't have an account, so you create an account here, you put your email and password, or log in with Facebook. I don't know how to log in with Facebook, but you can create an account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter my email. And password. Login. So when you log in, you'll see it's empty, nothing, there is no project. So you will add a new project. Click on a new project. So this is a board ESP8226, and you can name your project anything you want. I'm gonna name it since I'm doing humidity and temperature sensor. I'm gonna name it as a temp and humid temp / humid. Okay, you can choose the theme. You can play with this later on. Create. This is the important part. This is very important. You get an email with a token. So this is the code. You should copy it and put it on IDE, on Arduino Ide. If you don't do it, your board will not work. You will not connect to the Wi-Fi. You won't able to see even you will notice the light. You have light on your board blinking. It won't blink at all. So just remember this, and you will see it later when I'm gonna do it. Click OK. So now we're just gonna set the app. We're gonna add the gauges. Let's see the gauge. This is the first one. Then we add another gauge. We add notification. We add graph to super chart. Okay. Now let's set each of them. I'm gonna choose this one as a temp. And then the pin, it's gonna be virtual, and then V6. The temperature is gonna be 250. I hate it on the, sometimes I cannot type. See the zeros, unlike the phone. Well, I'm gonna waste all of my time here. Okay, finally. Okay, from 0 to 50 the temperature, and this is on Celsius, by the way. And the font size, you can change it. Notification rate, I'm gonna put it on every second, and the color you can change too. So I'm done with the temperature now. Let's go. You'll see the name too. It changed. The second gauge, humidity, humid, and then humidity, I'm gonna choose the 100. 0 again. Okay. Also, you can change the font size and color too, and every second. This one. The pin, I forgot, virtual, and V5. Okay. Back. I'm gonna check the notification and see. So notify when hardware gets offline in case of disconnected. Instant priority, you can choose high or normal. Ringtone, you can change the ringtone on color too. Okay, the graph here, same thing. Show legend. Time, I want to see the time too. Okay, I want to see live 15, 30, 1 hour, 3 hours. Okay, and now you add data stream, name it like temperature. Temp, and then here the pin virtual, I chose V6 for temperature. Okay, and you can play with it and see when you change stuff, see how it's gonna go. Okay, this is the temp. I'm gonna add another data stream and humidity. Humid. Then same thing, pen virtual, and then V5. Same thing. You can change color and all that stuff. Back. So it should be done with the graph. See the temp and humidity graph. You can click and activate each of them later on. So now I'm done with the setting up the app, and now we have to go to the Arduino IDE and upload the code and libraries and some stuff, and make some adjustment there. Just follow me. Okay, now I'm on Arduino IDE. First let's check if I have chosen the right port. So let's go to the tools and see the ports. You'll see it depends on how many USB you have. So now I have COM1, COM3. When I connect it, I will get the other one added to the list. So this is how I know which port is belong to the board. I'm gonna connect it. I go to the tools, and then I got COM4, so I should highlight it. Now I'm gonna check and see if I'm correct. Get board info. I should get board info. If I don't get this, that means I'm having problem with my port. So this is a very important part. Sometimes you upload and nothing goes through. The second step is if you go to the board, let me see. I have already installed it, so I'm gonna delete it and then go back and show you how to do it. Okay, I have deleted. So if let's go to the tools and see with the board. So board, you see there is nothing, there is no ESP board, so you have to add the board here. There are two ways, but the other way sometimes I just notice it won't work sometimes, but you have two ways. First way, you go to preference, and then you go into those files I'm gonna include in the description, and then you just copy those two links, and then Control V, paste it here. Okay, then you go to the tools, and then board manager, and then look for ESP8226. Or just ESP. Let's see. Okay, I think I typed it right. Correct. Sorry, wrong. So ESP8226 by ESP8226 community. So you need to download this one. Just install it. You're done. there is other way I did it. So preference, you go, and then you go to the location, and then those files you need to replace them with the file that I'm gonna include here in preference. You select those, copy, and then go there. Where is it? I think I got lost. Okay, and then you go here, and then same thing, select those, and then paste, replace them, replace all of those files. You can do the other way, but the first way it's better and safe. It will work. This one you can do it, but sometimes not. So you can do those two ways. Okay, after you're done with copying those, you will see the board here. You should see it here. Let me stop the video, pause the video, and then do it. Okay, the reason why I paused the video because it's taken a long time, because the file, I think 200 something, so that's why I paused. So now you will see, you got tools, you see something added, new board, so that's ESP8226. I have Node MCU 3V written on it, so if I choose this one, will work. So not this one, the second one, it will work with it. Okay, now let's go to the code and then copy and paste it here. Then after that we add libraries. Okay, where's the codes? Okay, here is a code. I'm gonna open it and then select all, copy it, Control A, Control V. So here is the code, and now I'm gonna add the libraries. I'm gonna go sketch and include library. I'm gonna add one by one. All of those libraries gonna be in the description. Okay, gonna add this one, first one, then second one, then third one, fourth one. Okay, so now when I talk from not the first part, when I said the app, I told you about the code, the token code. So you should get it from your email and paste it here. I'm gonna go to my email. So here's the code. Or is it? Oh, here. Here's the code. I'm gonna get it, copy it, and then paste it here. Paste. And then you put your the Wi-Fi information. So this is like my SSID, the network name, and then this is the password, like my password. So you can put yours here, and also let me show you the temperature if you want to change it, and if you want to even change the notification alerts, so you can change this one. You can write anything you want, and this one too. So if the temperature goes above the 25, you will get an alert on your phone. So you can change this one too, any number you would like to put here. And the message here, this is for email, in case you want to use your email. I used it, it worked only for like a minute and stopped for some reason, I don't know why. So you put your email here, and then you will get an alert to your email with the same thing. This is the message. I'm using now just this notification. So I think that's it. Let's upload it and see how it's gonna work. Okay, let's upload. I hope there is no error. Okay, now it's uploading. Okay, after done uploading the code, let's go and test it and see. So okay, I just run it. I think I set it to 24, the temperature, if it's over 24. I'm blowing on it, trying to raise the temperature. Okay, now over 25. 25? I think, yeah, 25. This is how you're gonna get an alert. This is the annoying part, so it will keep alerting until the temperature drop, or stop it from here. Just stop it from here. I'm gonna stop it. Try to cool it. And see, here is a graph. Okay, the temperature dropped. Now I think it's good. Here's the graph. You can choose which one you want to see, the humidity only, or the temperature, or both of them. Temperature rise again. Okay, this is the temp only. You see every 15 minutes. Okay, and here is the temperature. This is 25, 26, 24. So this is like a data logger too. So this one. I think that's it. I think this video is gonna be useful, and see you in another one.